Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring the 10 best options for you every time. Let's talk about ZenMate. To look at the specs, ZenMate is one attractive VPN. Unlimited device connections, fast speeds, and an uncomplicated no-log policy, ZenMate seems to be doing everything right. A 30-day money-back guarantee also doesn't hurt its rep. ZenMate has a free browser extension, built-in kill switch, and a neat mobile app to boot. This VPN is handy for unblocking streaming sites, browsing the internet safely, and staying anonymous wherever you go. Cha-ching! Features, it's got. But if you're looking for the absolute cheapest VPN option, you can't get better than ZenMate, because this service offers a free browser extension. It's not as multifaceted as the full version, but free is free. Besides, the paid-for version isn't all that much more. ZenMate has a sizable server collection scattered throughout the planet. You can utilize the power of 2,600 servers for your streaming and browsing purposes. ZenMate servers are located in more than 78 countries, too, so you can find something nearby or far and wide. ZenMate is supported by a range of software and devices. You can use it on Macs, Windows, iOS, and Android devices. There's also the free browser extension that works on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Best of all, ZenMate lets you connect an unlimited number of devices to one account. ZenMate uses the TLS 1.2 RFC 5246 protocol and perfect forward secrecy. The web browser uses 128-bit encryption, which isn't as strong as what a lot of other VPNs use. ZenMate does use the more reliable 256-bit AES encryption for desktop and mobile platforms though, so that's good. ZenMate has specific servers available for torrenting and P2P traffic to work around the various international regulations against such activity. Way to beat the system, ZenMate. One thing most people aren't going to like though, is that ZenMate doesn't work to unblock Netflix. Bummer. ZenMate doesn't thrill me when it comes to speed test results. It's not sluggish or anything, but the results were just sort of meh. The upside of this coin though is that ZenMate gives you unlimited bandwidth, so you can stream and connect pretty easily regardless. ZenMate has a lot going for it in the VPN department, and it includes some cool features like ZenMate's web firewall that blocks ads and disables tracking. The free browser extension is definitely a big plus too. You can also utilize several VPN protocols and VPN server filters for better results. You don't get cheaper than free. ZenMate's browser extension comes free for anyone who wants it. If you prefer the desktop or mobile version, ZenMate plans start at a modest $199. And the service even runs deals for lower pricing if you want. ZenMate has a 30-day money-back guarantee too. ZenMate has an online contact form you can fill out for more information, troubleshooting, or to ask questions to a support member. You can also sift through the searchable Help Center to find just about any question and answer you have concerning ZenMate services. It is based in Germany, which might give you pause considering the strong data retention laws that the country is bound by. But ZenMate sticks to its story about having a strict 100% no-logging policy, and we haven't seen any reason to believe otherwise. ZenMate is definitely one of the cheapest VPN services out there, even without the freemium version. The site has good security features, including an ad blocker and tracking disabler, and you can protect an unlimited number of devices with one account and use ZenMate on a number of platforms. ZenMate is definitely one of the cheapest VPN services out there, even without the freemium version. The site has good security features, including an ad blocker and tracking disabler. You can protect an unlimited number of devices with one account and use ZenMate on a number of platforms. I hope this video helped you decide whether ZenMate is the right VPN for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.